Did you know that about 30% of the world's population over 50 takes aspirin every day to prevent blood clots? This is a worrying statistic, but there is some good news. Some teas and natural foods have powerful anticoagulant properties and can be great allies in preventing thrombosis, stroke, and circulatory problems. Today, you will find out 8 teas and 5 incredible foods that can improve your circulation and protect your heart naturally.
So, let's get straight to the point. Ginger tea.
Our first tea has been used for over 5,000 years in traditional Chinese medicine, the powerful ginger tea. The secret is in gingerol, a natural compound with anti-inflammatory and anticoagulant action, which prevents platelets from clumping together, reducing the risk of thrombosis and stroke. Additionally, ginger improves circulation, relieves nausea, strengthens the immune system, and aids digestion by stimulating the production of saliva and bile.
When to take?
Preferably in the morning or between meals, when the stomach is emptier, favoring the absorption of its benefits. Attention! Excessive consumption can cause heartburn, abdominal bloating, and even interfere with diabetes medications or blood thinners.
Ginkgo biloba tea.
Secondly, we have the ginkgo biloba tea, a smart choice for those who want to protect their circulation and brain at the same time. This tea reduces platelet aggregation and facilitates the heart's workload. It's also great for memory and concentration, and even for relieving symptoms of anxiety, depression, and dizziness.
When to take?
In the morning or early afternoon, to enjoy its energizing effects without disturbing your sleep. Attention! In excess, it can cause headaches, dizziness, and gastrointestinal problems. It can also interact with antidepressants, anticonvulsants, and anticoagulants.
Turmeric tea.
The third tea on our list is turmeric tea, which in addition to strengthening immunity, also fights inflammation and improves circulation. The active ingredient is curcumin, known for promoting good blood flow, improving digestion, and relieving joint and muscle pain, ideal for arthritis sufferers.
When to take?
In the morning or between meals, always on an empty stomach to improve absorption. Important tip: always consume in moderation. Excessive consumption can cause stomach pain, nausea, and interfere with anti-inflammatory, anticoagulant, or diabetes medications. Have you ever had turmeric tea? Comment below about your experience, it might help other people.
Green tea.
And fourth on our list is the well-known, yet often underrated green tea. Rich in catechins, it helps improve blood flow and prevent serious conditions such as stroke and thrombosis. But the benefits don't stop there. Green tea also
Improves heart health.
accelerates metabolism,
Helps with weight loss.
strengthens the immune system, and it has neuroprotective effects, helping to keep the brain active and healthy.
When to take?
Prefer to consume it in the morning or early afternoon, as it contains caffeine and can disrupt sleep if taken at night. Important alert: excessive consumption can cause insomnia, nervousness, stomach discomfort, and dangerous interactions with medications such as blood thinners, beta blockers, and even certain antibiotics.
Hibiscus tea.
The fifth tea on our list is hibiscus tea, a true ally of circulation. Rich in anthocyanins and polyphenol, it helps prevent clots, reduces blood pressure, and improves heart function, protecting against cardiovascular disease. Furthermore, it aids in weight loss by reducing carbohydrate absorption and having a diuretic effect, eliminating excess fluids and toxins.
When to take?
In the morning or early afternoon, as it can also give you more energy and help with digestion. Careful: in excess, it can lower blood pressure too much, cause gastrointestinal discomfort, and interfere with medications for hypertension and diabetes.
Garlic tea.
Have you heard of the garlic tea? It may seem strange, but its benefits are impressive. Thanks to allicin, garlic has a strong anticoagulant action, helping to prevent clots and reducing the risk of thrombosis and stroke. Despite its strong flavor, this tea also improves circulation, strengthens the immune system, controls blood pressure, and fights infections caused by bacteria and viruses.
When to take?
In the morning or before meals, when the body best absorbs its active compounds. Attention: in excess, it can cause bad breath, gastric irritation, and interact with anticoagulant, blood pressure, or diabetes medications.
Clove tea.
Seventh on the list is clove tea, a powerful surprise for heart health. The clove contains sugenol, a substance with anti-inflammatory and anticoagulant properties that prevents the accumulation of platelets, reducing the risk of cardiovascular problems. Other benefits include
Toothache relief. Improved digestion.
strengthening immunity, antimicrobial action against fungal and bacterial infections.
When to take?
After meals, as it helps with digestion and relieves stomach discomfort. But be careful: Excess can cause allergic reactions, intestinal disorders, and interfere with anticoagulant medications.
Cinnamon tea.
For those who like a warmer, more striking flavor, the cinnamon tea is an excellent choice and closes our list for today. Cinnamon helps to inhibit platelet aggregation, protecting against thrombosis and stroke.
And more.
Improves insulin sensitivity. Helps control blood sugar. It has anti-inflammatory action for joint pain. Stimulates metabolism, contributing to weight loss.
When to take.
In the morning or early afternoon, when its stimulating effects can be best enjoyed. Beware of excessive consumption. Even cinnamon tea, with all its benefits, needs to be consumed with caution. Why? In large quantities, it can overload the liver, cause intestinal discomfort, and even interact with diabetes medications and blood thinners. 5 foods that improve circulation. And if you're not a tea fan, don't worry. There are 5 amazing foods which also help to improve circulation and prevent blood clots. 1.
Fatty fish, cold water fish.
Fish like salmon, tuna, and sardines are rich in omega-3, a type of healthy fat with anticoagulant properties. They reduce platelet aggregation and fight inflammation, protecting the heart.
2. Green leafy vegetables.
Spinach, kale, and arugula are sources of vitamin K and natural nitrates, which help keep blood vessels healthy and prevent excessive clot formation.
3. Extra virgin olive oil.
Excellent for dressing salads or cooking healthier. Olive oil is rich in monounsaturated fats and polyphenol, with anti-inflammatory and antioxidant effects. He improves blood fluidity and protects against heart disease. 4. Berries, or wild berries. Strawberries, raspberries, and blueberries are full of flavonoids, compounds that help prevent clots and reduce inflammation in the arteries. 5. Oil seeds, such as walnuts and chestnuts. Sources of omega-3 and vitamin E, walnuts combined with berries create a powerful blend to strengthen the heart, improve circulation, and control blood sugar. Extra tips for taking care of your heart. In addition to including these teas and foods in your routine, here are essential tips to protect your cardiovascular health. Drink plenty of water every day to avoid dehydration, which promotes the formation of clots. Practice physical activities regularly. Walking, cycling, swimming, or running make all the difference. Stretch often, especially if you spend a lot of time sitting. Avoid smoking and reduce or eliminate alcohol, which damage blood vessels. Keep your weight under control, as excess weight increases the risk of heart disease. Get regular checkups and monitor your blood pressure, cholesterol, and blood sugar. Manage stress with techniques such as meditation, yoga, or leisure time. Before you start consuming any of these teas or foods frequently, consult your doctor, especially if you take medication. Every body is unique and only a professional can assess what is safest and most effective for your case. And now, tell me, which of these teas or foods do you already consume? Share your experience in the comments, it can help a lot of people. If this content was useful to you, send to your friends and family. Taking care of your heart is a gesture of love, towards ourselves and towards others. Thank you so much for watching this far, and we'll see you in the next video.